Hello guys, and welcome back with another video. So Samsung Galaxy A12 received the new update from the Samsung Galaxy. Samsung Galaxy A12 gets the new security update of the November 2022. So what's new in the update? What's new on the update? So update released on 20 December 2022. So as you can see here, the security of your device has been improved. What's new in the update? So a software update can include, but it's not limited to, device stability improvement, bug fixes, and new and or enhanced feature. Further improvement to performance. To get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check your software updates. So this is the new update of the Samsung Galaxy 12. So as you can see here, the security update, Samsung Galaxy A12 get the security update and performance improvement update. So update size is 173. Update size is 173. So I think this is the performance improvement update or security update. Let's install this update and check what's new in the update. Now I install this update. Now I'm installing this update. So keep watching PCG Gamer Pro for new tech updates. So guys, update is now installed successfully. As you can see here, the update is downloaded successfully. Let's installing this update. Let's discover what's new in the update.